In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to convert Minecraft Windows 10 into Windows Java Edition. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to convert a world from Minecraft Windows 10 version, also known as Bedrock, to Minecraft Java. So in order to do this, first, you will need to use a specific website. This website is useful because you don't have to download any program and you will be able to do this conversion fully online. There also exists the Chunker alternative, but Chunker is download only, so if you want to, you can download that program. It might be easier to use and follow the interface, but for this video, I recommend this one because, like I said, you don't have to download anything. So in here, choose Bedrock to Java, so essentially Windows 10 into Java, and you will be able to load your world. Now, to find this world, you have to go to a very specific directory. So as you can see, the very first thing that you have to do is press Windows plus R, or open the Run window and go to percentage local app data percentage. When you click OK, you will immediately be transferred here in the app data local folder. So now go to packages, scroll down until you find Microsoft.Minecraft UWP, go inside, then local state, then games, com.mojang, Minecraft worlds, and finally, this is your world. If you have multiple worlds and you want to check which world is which, go inside and you will see levelname.txt. If you open this in a text editor, you will be able to see the name of the world, so you can confirm that this is the world that you want to transfer. Now, what I recommend is that you right-click the address and you copy the address. Once you have this copied, go to the website, select directory, and then you will be able to paste the directory here. Once you paste it, now open the folder, make sure that you are inside of the folder and you see these behavior packs, DB, and resource pack folders, and then upload. Choose the option to upload, and now your Bedrock or Windows 10 world will be loaded here. Now, it will be exported a Java Edition world, so click the option to download this. And now, if you open it up, you will be able to transfer these files into a world in the Java format. So now go to .minecraft as usual, so app data roaming .minecraft, saves, and I recommend creating a folder. Once you create the folder, load these files into it, and now open Minecraft Java. Now inside of Minecraft Java, you will see the Bedrock world. So as you can see, this first one is the folder that I just created. It is named Bedrock World. Even though it says My World, I'll be able to tell that it is this one. So now I'll join it. It might take a while because of some conversions, and I'll be able to load into the world immediately. So this is the exact world that I created on Minecraft Bedrock. You might encounter some problems with chunk generation, but overall it seems like it is perfect so far. So even though I didn't render much of the world, it is still working flawlessly. So if you notice any sort of inconsistencies, it's because of the different world types from Java Edition and Bedrock Edition. But for the most part, it works flawlessly. And if you have structures that you generated before or that you created yourself, they will still appear over here for you to enjoy. I hope I was able to help you on how to play or convert Minecraft Windows 10 into Java Edition. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.